The largest global food service and hotel supplies exhibition, 2023 NRA Show, was grandly held at McCormick Place in Chicago. The event attracted over 50,000 attendees. Galaxy Global International, together with Jack&King and Classic Szechuan, participated in the exhibition, becoming the only professional brand specializing in Chinese ready meals and hot pot seasonings. The Galaxy Global International booth became the center of attention at the event, attracting a large number of customers, including Americans, who flocked to participate in food tastings and exchanges. The praises were endless. At 2023 NRA Show, the Jack&King and Classic Szechuan showcased 5 major categories of fish, shrimp, meat, ready meals, and seasonings, featuring hundreds of specialty dishes. The services catered to various clients, including Sichuan and Hunan cuisine restaurants, hot pot restaurants, Japanese restaurants, fast food chains, Chinese supermarkets, Southeast Asian supermarkets, fresh convenience stores, as well as numerous distributors, food delivery platforms, and fresh e-commerce platforms. We are committed to the development and revitalization of the Chinese food industry in the United States. How much do Americans love Chinese ready meals? Through real-time on-site coverage of the 2023 NRA Show, we believe that everyone now has the answer. Therefore, not only should we recognize the potential of this opportunity, but we should also actively participate, witnessing it firsthand, as actions speak louder than words. Thank you for your support and affirmation of Jack&King and Classic Szechuan. See you in 2024.